everyone, this is Pinky Punjabi from Magic of Healing, and last time I had launched a Scent Expedite kit, and many people had asked me that how is it that you burn it, how do you use it. So I thought I will show you here. Many people have their own setup. This is how my setup looks. Okay, I don't know if it's a clear view for you all. I keep the Scent Expedite statue, and I keep a plate of with aluminium foil covered, and I keep a glass of water. Now what I had launched was a Expedite Ultra Cleansing Spray along with the with this candle. I make this candle of the green and red with some herbs infused, because I believe that for money this works beautifully. And I make a resin combo which is good for which is a blend of his favorite resins and herbs. So first thing what we do is we spray around the altar and we cleanse it. So this is the first thing you'll be doing. And this again is the Expedite water, which has a certain blends of his favorite herbs, so that he's happy with it. Now I don't follow the process of keeping it in a triangle shape the way people keep. All that I don't do. So what I do is I keep it here, and then I keep his statue, and I keep his candle. Now the candle has his photo and his symbol, so I keep the candle and I surround it with cinnamon sticks. Now you can also keep not only cinnamon sticks, but you can also keep basil, you can keep mint leaves, and you can also keep rosemary. Basil, mint and rosemary you can surround and keep. This is what I keep. And then what I do is I first take a little bit of resin from this. Okay, it will be a little difficult to come out because these are little pure resins which I have just pounded and I have put. Okay, now I will put this and I will burn the candle first. Now let me tell you a little bit about him. His feast day is 19th. So any month 19th also you can start your prayers keeping him in mind. Any month 19th is good, or you can work on a Wednesday. Many people say you can work on Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, but it's up to you whether you want to work on a Wednesday or a Thursday or Friday. I love starting it on a Wednesday. I preferably start it on Wednesday and not on the other days. So here I have burnt the resin, okay, and I have burnt his candle, and I have his oil which I have also sent in the kit. Many people who picked up the kit, mainly this is for them because they wanted to know how the kit is used. So that's the reason I'm making this video. And those who want to procure the kit can also WhatsApp me at 917-623-1990, and I will tell you all the pricing of the kit. Now there is this oil which I have given. You can even apply this oil in this little bit. Every day you can add a few drops of this oil in this, but the main purpose of me using this oil is something else. Okay, now this is not a part of this kit, but this is also there. Okay, now this is called as the Scent Expedite money, the Scent Expedite dollars. What you have to do is you have to cut it into the exact shape. Okay, you will cut it into the exact shape, and you will take this oil and you will anoint it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically any side you can start, but you have to anoint it all the 4 corners and the center, 1 dot, with this special oil, the Expedite oil which I will be sending. And you will keep this money in front of him. Now what I do in my altars, I just anoint it all the sides, and then now the candle is burning, the water is kept here, I just keep it here in the front. This is how I keep. Okay, basically that he is blessing. Now I'm just snuffing it off so that the smoke starts coming, and it has an amazing smell, I must say. It's not that because I'm making it, but because of the blend of herbs that he likes. It's an amazing collection that I would say that he likes, and the smell is also awesome. So basically now what I have done is I have kept it here. Now this is a blessed money of his. I don't keep it, I usually keep it as a whole one because I send it to a lot of my clients. But what you will do is you will cut it, and all the 4 sides you will anoint it with this oil. Now those who are not picking that notes and who are picking this kit, what they will do is they will use this oil a few drops every day when they are burning this. Start on a Wednesday. Burn every day for 15-20 minutes, continuously burn for a week, and complete it on the next Tuesday. Talk to him, tell him what it is that you wish for. Say for example, Scent Expedite, I want my financial, this thing to get over, or this has to happen, that, whatever it has to happen, you can do that. If you're not picking that note thing, if you're picking that note, then also what you can do is anoint it with the oil and cut it into the square things. keep a 500 rupee note with it or a 100 rupee note with it and keep it in your cash box or keep it in your purse. It is said that more dollars or more money will keep multiplying and coming when you keep this. Okay, and main thing I want to say before completing this is Saint Expedit believes that if the wish is fulfilled, you need to offer him something. Now you should not offer him before the wish is fulfilled, because I have tried and I felt it has not worked. So offer him only after it's over. You can get him abroad. They love offering him Sarali pound cake. I'm sure we will not get the Sarali pound cake here, but we can offer him butter cake. That's his favorite, butter cake. Red wine, that is also his favorite, and you can offer him these two, but I prefer picking up butter cake, and what I do is I give it to the poor children and I send it across to the orphanage here for the kids to have it, so that they are also blessed. And one more thing that you'll have to do is you'll have to do a public announcement. Now what do I say as a public announcement? You will have to either give it in a newspaper that your wishes got fulfilled and he has blessed your wish, or what you will have to do is you will have to put it in Facebook or any of the social media saying thank you Saint Expedit for fulfilling this wish of mine. So that's about it. And yes, he also likes chocolates. If you want, you can even give him some chocolates, but cake is what his favorite. He likes fruits also, but I always prefer making the butter cake or getting a butter cake done and offering it to him and then giving it to the poor people. He works beautifully for anything and everything related to finances. Many people burn only the red candle, but believe me, the red and the green combo works amazingly for this beautiful patron, the Saint Expedit. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Do share, like and comment if you liked it, and if you have any doubt on Saint Expedit, do let me know. Many of you know I used to take workshop on Saint Expedit 3-4 years back. I would be bringing it back again. But any other doubts other than that you all have, do let me know. Do share in your comments, and also click the bell icon so that you will know as and when I bring in the videos. Thank you all, and I just wish that Saint Expedit blesses you all with loads and loads of financial abundance and he fulfills all your wishes. If you want to pick this Saint Expedit kit, which has the candle, the oil and the spray, you can let me know. Or if you want the money ritual, the dollar note with the oil, then also you can let me know. You can WhatsApp me at 917-623-1990. Thank you all. May Saint Expedit bless you all. Thank you.